Hello students, this video is brought to you by Site India e-learning. To join online classes from anywhere and offline classes only in Lucknow, please click the link to see contact informations. Now we will discuss path of projectile. We will obtain an equation for path of projectile. First of all, what is projectile motion? When a body is projected at an angle with vertical, I'm not saying an angle with horizontal, but an angle with vertical. This is vertical and body is thrown at an angle with vertical. This angle may be anything, but other than 0 to 90 degree. Okay. Then motion of the body is called projectile motion. The body projected is projectile and its motion is called projectile motion. So what is projectile motion? When a body is projected or thrown at an angle with vertical, then its motion is called projectile motion. We have to show that its path is parabolic, or to prove that its path is parabolic, or we will have an equation for its path. This is its path. Okay. Let body is thrown from point A. Here I am taking angle with horizontal, but in definition angle should be with vertical. Body is thrown with velocity u0 from A at an angle theta with horizontal. Okay. After t time, suppose it reaches here at P. You can see that vertical height traversed by the body is y and horizontal distance is x. Okay. This is y, this is x. Now this is the velocity, initial velocity u0. We can have its components. Horizontal component will be this and vertical component will be this. This is u cos theta. Horizontal component will be u cos theta, I think you know all. And vertical component will be u0 sin theta. This is u cos theta. This is u sin theta, and this distance is x. Listen again. A body, or say projectile, is projected from point A at an angle theta with horizontal with velocity u0. After t time it reaches P. Horizontal distance moved by the projectile is x. This distance is x, and vertical distance moved by the projectile is y. Okay. Now you have to see that force acting on the body is vertical or in vertical direction, and this force is gravitational force. We should understand this point here. When body is projected, or say it is in projectile motion, there is only one force acting on the body, and this is gravitational force, and its direction is vertically downwards. Say vertical motion is under the force of gravity, but there is no force acting horizontally, means horizontal motion is unaffected by any force. And since no force acting along horizontal, that's why horizontal motion will be non-accelerated. But vertical motion, which is under the force of gravity, will be accelerated motion. That is retarded motion while going upwards and accelerated motion while going downwards. Okay. Now we can break it in two motions, horizontal motion and vertical motion. For horizontal motion, velocity is constant, and its reason is because there is no force acting horizontally. Keep in mind, there is no force acting horizontally, that's why motion is constant, velocity is constant, and you will use formula x is equal to v into t. Using s equal to v into t. What is s? Distance moved horizontally. This is x. What is v? U naught. Should write it u naught because we have taken u naught initial velocity. U naught cos theta into t. So we can find t from here. T will be x upon u naught cos theta. And this is the time in which the same body covers vertical distance y. Body is coming in t time from A to P, and in this t time it covers horizontal distance x and vertical distance y. Okay. Now we will take vertical motion, which is accelerated motion. See, for vertical motion, accelerated, which is accelerated, then what is u, initial velocity for it? U naught sine theta at point A. U naught sine theta is the velocity at point A, which is vertical velocity. What is s? This is y. What is t? The same time, this, because in t time body covers y distance vertically. So we have t as x upon u naught cos theta. Okay. Applying second equation of motion. Applying second equation of motion. H or say S. We can write S here. S equal to ut minus, body is going upwards, half gt square. What is S? Y. What is u? U naught sine theta. What is t? X upon u naught cos theta minus half. G is g, acceleration due to gravity, and what is t? X upon u naught cos theta whole square. Okay, simplify it. Y equal to u naught cancel. What is left here? Sin theta upon cos theta will become tan theta. Then we can write is x tan theta. Okay. What is here? Gx square upon 2 u naught square cos square theta. This is the equation for projectile motion. Or say equation which represents path of projectile. This. Now what is its shape? You can observe this equation is quadratic, highest power 2 in x variable and linear in y. It is quadratic in x and linear in y. That's why it represents parabola. Above equation is quadratic in x and linear 1 power linear in y. So it represents a parabola. That is, path of projectile is parabolic. Thus, path of projectile is parabolic. So we have shown that path of projectile is parabolic. Okay. So this is an important derivation from exam point of view. Either you may ask that derive an equation for path of projectile, or you can be asked that show that path of projectile is parabolic. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.